The right-hand rule can be used to visualize the vector cross product. So suppose we want to cross vector v with w. Well, what you do is take your right hand and put the bottom of your right hand in the plane of vector v and w, and curl your fingers from the first vector v to the second vector w involved in the cross product. So this is a visual of doing that. And your thumb points in the direction of the resultant vector r. Now in contrast, if you want to cross w with v, you would curl your fingers from the first vector w to the second vector v, which is shown over here. So therefore in this case the resulting vector r points downwards. So therefore the cross product is not commutative. And try to visualize the cross product between j and k by following the same procedure, where you curl your fingers from j to k, as indicated by this picture of your right hand, where the resulting vector points in the direction of I.